Everything on the Volvo VNL Autonomous truck has been designed with safety in mind, from redundant safety critical systems to the integration of the Aurora Driver. Factory-built autonomous trucks deliver consistent, reliable, and safety because the technology is integrated and validated from the start. This approach maximizes uptime and enables fleets to scale quickly with standardized, ready-to-deploy vehicles, ensuring smooth operations at any size. The ongoing builds in our New River Valley facility mark the first step towards mass producing the integration of the virtual driver to the VNL base vehicle by Volvo. We have seen that the technology has surpassed or outgrown the traditional industry standards. This has left a gap for us to fill together by creating new, leaner ways of working in an OEM partner relationship in order to industrialize the VNL Autonomous. We may not be pursuing the fastest path to producing smaller volumes, such as an upfit solution in a workshop environment, but we are doing the hard work up front, making the investments in products and processes, and thereby paving the way to produce more trucks than just ones or tens of the autonomous trucks. I believe this strategy will deliver a robust solution to the market that we can expand upon and well positions us to be leaders in the industry. It's very exciting to see the timeline shrinking as we approach these major milestones within the industrialization phase of our VNL Autonomous project.